some ball?
Sam Kelly is an athlete, a successful business owner, husband, father of two, and a proud granddad.
I live by God's word: is too much is given, much is required, too much more is given, much more is required. And I am that guy. I have been blessed to that ability, and at times it can be tough, but it all belongs to God.
Sam got plugged into Goodwill in kind of the most interesting way that you can think of.
My daughter had dropped some stuff off at Goodwill, and she happened to leave her class ring, Social Security card, and voter registration card in one of the pockets.
So they ended up actually making some efforts to try to track down who this belonged to, and it ended up belonging to a family member of Sam Kelly.
Doug actually dropped it by the office, and that was the start of it.
Sam was just impressed that we had taken the time to try to reunite this mistaken donation with its rightful owner.
And after that, we formed a relationship.
This friendship was born with Sam that's led ultimately to his selection as our champion for this year. Goodwill's had great luck in identifying and has this long history of people who have sort of stepped in from kind of where we didn't know them into this place where they've made really a big impact on Goodwill.
They got me to come onto the board at Goodwill, and then after that I became part of the Goodwill mentoring program.
He's such a good choice because he's very, very passionate about seeing people improve their lives.
Once you really get out there and get your nose bloody and get your hands dirty, because it's all over the place. In our community, we don't have to go to Africa, we don't have to go anyplace else. It's here. And Goodwill does a great job of trying to get these people back on their feet.
Sam has sort of stepped in both with Goodwill and our Goodwill Foundation and supported us with his time and his talents and his resources and his interest. And I think one of the things that's always unique about Sam is that he doesn't just have great ideas. Sam will help you implement those ideas.
We put over 8,000 people to work in life-changing type jobs, something that can sustain them, and where they've got a future.
So I think, one, he's a sharp businessman, but he's somebody who really understands that being part of the community and that when one person's successful, ultimately we all are.
I thank God for the blessing of my family, my business, and what he's done for me. It's allowed me to touch some people's lives. And I think that's what this award's about.
He's this good guy, but he makes people around him better. And I think that that's the exciting part, and one of the exciting reasons for us to be able to honor him as Goodwill's champion this year is that I think he's made us better by being in association with him.
Sam Kelly, your Goodwill Champion Award winner for 2013.
I would love for our people in our city to get out and get involved with Goodwill. Just, if nothing else, come see what happens to your stuff.